Hi, my name is Bethany Emery. I'm a district technology coach for the Worcester Public Schools. Worcester is the second largest urban district in the state of Massachusetts, with over 26,000 students and over 3,000 educators. These educators include our principals, our teachers, and our instructional assistants. It's my 17th year in Worcester. I began in the elementary classroom and stayed there for roughly 13 years, mostly in the sixth grade classroom, and have now changed over to a district technology coach. As a technology coach, it's my job to help create lessons so our teachers and our students can see the integration of technology through the curriculum. Behind me, you see that we've got all of these Chromebooks stacked up. 5,000 Chromebooks are entering into our district within the next week and a half, which means lots more training for our staff and students. I run these trainings whether they're small group to large group, staff and students, or separate. I'm off right now to the next training, which is a sixth grade classroom on Google Slides in a collaborative environment.
Go Google!
Does working on a collaborative Google slide deck sound like a classroom management nightmare? Try Grid View to help maintain order. So as you can see here, this teacher had a Google Classroom where all of her students had joined using the display code previously and had worked on individual assignments. This time, we were using Google Slides to show what it means to be working in a collaborative environment. In this activity, titled A Little About Me, I pushed this document so that each student was working in the exact same document, hence a collaborative environment. So in here, students were going to have to do 5 different tasks on their individual slide, and adding text, inserting images, and changing a background color. We felt that if the students understood these couple of tasks, that going forward and creating their own Google slide deck was going to be much easier. As you can see, I provided the students with a sample that represented information about me. However, they each began with a blank document. They had to add their name. We showed them that by going up to Insert, to Image, they could insert a picture of themselves previously, if something had already been saved in their drive, and in this case it wasn't, and also how to search from the web. The nice idea of inserting from the web in this direction meant that the students did not have to flip between 2 different tabs. They were able to search for their hobby. In this case, the student will say had a hobby of cats. They were able to take the picture that they liked and insert it right into their own slide. From there, we showed them how to change the background color and how to insert another text box for a Did You Know fact. As you can see, each one of the students created their own individual slide which represented themselves. As the students were working on this, I showed the teacher that if she took her view and changed it into the grid view, she's able to monitor what each student is doing at the exact same time. This allowed for the classroom management feature to become a lot easier. So while walking around, we were also able to still keep an eye on each person. The teacher liked this, as well as the students. The students found that working in a collaborative environment really had some great features.